Coming up on today's exciting episode of Big Al.
It torques. It looks like everything's torquey. Torque, 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 torque. Lots of torques.
Come and see what these are called. You see it? Durex.
Not there to transition you to making money for the country. They're there to push you down now. It's not the same. I got a JCB. That's ironic, isn't it? Hi guys, so it has come, episode 2 of this 0 to 10,000 in 12 weeks program. So day 1 of our, or day 2 actually, where I'm looking for a Fiesta. I've actually found one, and it's actually not me, it was Joe. We're busy eating our dinner here, and Joe, tell me, look at that, 450 quid in Antrim. Might be a perfect wee item. It's got a diesel. Day 2 still combined. We have now got confirmed a car, and I've asked him to deliver it to me to the chosen rental location. I'm getting the location for £10 a week, so I need to get my ass into gear. Okay, right. So we're still at day 2, and I have just been updated by. I've been updated by Joe. I'm absolutely tired, I'm knackered. We didn't get that car. He found out who I was, and he was looking an extra £150 for the car. So it's back to the drawing boards in regard to the car. Disappointing, because there's been a lot of messing around trying to get this vehicle. And I'm trying to get a vehicle for about 400 quid. So it's not that easy as I thought it would be in order to get a vehicle to break down. I see this Audi that's for sale. It's going for 500 quid. Now, it's an Audi A4, a red one. Quite nice. It's in Belfast, but it's got a broken transmission. I'm going to go down and see him tomorrow and see what I could come across to see if I can do anything. But we'll see. So there it is. There we are. This is us. We have our finalist. So I now need to get this girl to make me an average of about 2 grand, and I need to make £2,000 within the next 2 weeks. Is it achievable? We will see. What's your thoughts? I mean, we've got likes of, I mean, if you look at it, you got headlamps. Headlamps first, 50 quid. Grill, let's say 40 quid, 30 quid. You know, you could take this off, 20 quid for that. The bonnet, and there's no dents, a couple of scratches in it, but you know, the bonnet, what would you say? 50 quid, 100 quid? Yeah. You know, the wing mirrors. The wing mirrors, 30 quid each. The indicator, £10. There are 4 sets of wheels in it, including a spare wheel. That's a spare wheel on that. This is busted. The bumper, I'm sure I'll get 100 quid for that. The fog lights, I'm sure I'll get 50 quid or 30 quid for them. I mean, already I feel that all the stuff that does for frontal collision will make money. The handles, the door. I mean, there's a door there. Lots to do, and very little time to do it. So I can't wait around. Now I need to go on the beg for a trailer and a car to trail it. And the only problem is there's no reverse up here. I have to somehow get this vehicle backways. And I think it's going to have to be done late at night. But I have to get it back to the rental location, and that's costing me already £10 a week. I don't want to go back to the investors for more money because I think they'll be angry. One of the investors is there, doink, doink, doink. So we'll see how it goes. I'm super excited, super scared. And I'm actually it feels like I was just starting my business again. It's such a class thing. I love this. I love this green shoots type of investment where you're really starting. I mean, you know, I can imagine the problems that I'm going to have in the future, such as environmental control. I'm going to have problems with government interruption. The freedom of business is not the same as it used to be when I had succeeded the first time and possibly the second time. So freedom of being able to do business and start business and grow your business. Environmental departments will just close you down. They'll not find a way of getting you to make money. They're not there to transition you to making money for the country. They're there to push you down now. It's not the same. And I've got this coming to me. You know, if I decided I was going to do this for real, maybe I will, but let's see how it goes. So let's get moving. I've got begging to do. Right, thank you.
Hi guys, so where are we? We are at day 4, and Saturday morning I've arranged for a person to come and get the vehicle from Belfast and deliver it down to me. They've wanted to charge me £100, and I think that's a fair and reasonable price for what they're going to do. So that should be coming down to me today, and I'll have it put into the location. Then we are going to go tomorrow to the market to go and buy some tools. Now that would leave me with only £150, I believe.
So day 5 of the program, what we've got to do is I've got the kids with me and I've got a lift down here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and buy tools. Now, what have I got left? This is all I have left. It's 150 quid. That's all I've got left. No, tell a lie. It's 140 quid because I've had to pay a week's rent for the vehicle. So now I've got to go and buy tools. Will 150 quid get me tools, bags, cable ties, markers, and stuff that I need to sell on eBay? We'll see. So I need to go down to there. What we're not doing is we're not bringing the professional camera down because it creates attention. But this place is called Knott's Corner. It's the hub of market industry. It's a great investment. If you ever want to start a business, this is the place to be. You'll make a load of cash. So seagulls are flying. I don't like seagulls, but there it is. Let's get an update later on. So far, I'm not creating too much attention to myself. So far, I'm getting very little. There's very little here. What I'm looking for is second-hand tools that I can buy that I can use on taking this car apart for this project. No one seems to be selling much. So, guys, update. I'm here with my kids. It's a Sunday. We went down to the Sunday market, all 3 of us, did we not? Yeah. Yes, Cammy? Yeah. So come and see Big Cam. Come here. Come on. With the spanner. So he's going to show me what we bought. How much did I spend, guys? Can you remember? £20 plus 30, and then £8. So 38 quid. So what did I buy for 38 quid? Come closer, Lexi. Okay, you ready? What do we buy? Cameron, what do we got?
So, we have this bag full of wrenches. If you have a look in there, you can see I've got all
Cameron, you're supposed to hand it to me, mate. Don't you? A last bag. You're not the... So, we got a JCB spanner. Yay! JCB spanner, that's one. Yeah, okay. So that's what we got. What else did we get? We got a wrench, a rusty wrench. Yes, a rusty wrench. I think I got that for £1. What else did we get? We got a spanner. And another one. Oh no, we got a screwdriver. Look, that's a screwdriver. I bought a long screwdriver just in case I want to get my hand down to pull that out. An insulated screwdriver. Got that for 50p. I got that for £1. That's a Dexton. That's actually quite a good brand. So it's got little tiny wrenches inside. I don't know if they're anything to do with it. But yeah. What else we got? A thin screwdriver. A screwdriver, insulated screwdriver, a screwdriver, star head, a terminal screwdriver, electrician's terminal screwdriver. It's probably not going to work, probably broken. What else we got? We got another spanner. What else have we got, Cameron?
Just these two.
We got a couple of other wee spanners.
So 38 quid so far. I'm pretty impressed. What else should we get, Cam? Yes, so I got these. Come and pull that other one out.
Stuck.
Now that's class. I got these two for £4 each. Will they work? I'm not convinced. Anyway, so what else have we got? Oh yes, we got this for 20 quid. So that's a full set. That'll work well. If I get my batteries working, that will work very well for, I guess what it's called. Now Lexi, what? And it's perfect for me. It's perfect for me. Come and see what these are called. Can you see it? Durex. So now, Big Al's found Durex screwdrivers. So when I say I'm going to get my Durex out, I have already got the car. As you can see, it's an Audi A4 1.9 TDI, and she now has to be broken. What I've done is I bought her, I got her for £450, and then I had to get her lifted because the transmission shaft was broken out of her. And what I want to do is start taking her apart. What I need to do is try and see if I can make at least £1,000 on this item here. The item now is sitting where it's supposed to be while we take her apart. I've got her in a pen here, and I'm currently paying a rent of £10 a week for this little small area where I'm going to be doing all the work, getting all the parts that I need out of her and trying to get it up for sale. Now, what I'll do is I'll first take photographs of it, and then I'll start putting it on places like Facebook, putting it on eBay, and more or less multi-cross-platform selling. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just taking pictures of certain things, conditions. I've tested a lot of the items already, just made sure everything is working, washers, that sort of thing. And I'm going to put this up on Facebook for breaking. How's it work? Oh, easy as that. So all I'm doing is I'm just taking pictures of this car. For braking. The engine's got 113,000 miles on her. I can't imagine it having major issues. It seems all right actually. There's no melting. There's no burning smells, and there's no gunge. There's no water in it. Seems to be okay. Again, what do I know? I'm not a mechanic, but I would say that engine's worth money. That'll be fun getting that girl out. I wouldn't even know where to start, to be honest with you. Probably what you have to do is cut all these bits and cut all these pipes. Unless, of course, these pipes, I suppose you don't really need to cut the pipes off. There's a couple of screws there, or a couple of nuts there needs to come off first before I get these off. This has disappeared, the wee Audi badge, sadly. That's disappeared. As a turbo diesel, so that grill itself can come off. So I need to get torques. It looks like everything's torquey. Torque, 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 torque. Lots of torques. And I don't think my cheap Chinese set will do. So there's going to be a lot of torques going on, I would say. So there it is. So I'm going to go and put this ad up now and get this girl running. We are ready to rock and roll. Watch out for part 3. It's going to be out next Wednesday of me taking this entire vehicle apart, and hopefully by next week I will have some parts sold.
The idea is to try and get this sold as quickly as possible. Will I get it done in 12 weeks? You know, it would be nice to get to 10 grand. If I get to 9,500 or 4,000, remember, this is not going to be my first car in the project. The idea is to make enough money to pay back the loan and then get more vehicles in, get this lifted, get the rest of it scrapped off, and all the parts ready for sale or selling. So if I can raise enough money, I can buy more stock and get another one taken apart. Now, remember, this project is simply for all you out there, people out there who've never known how to make money. And this is what it's about. You have to sometimes start at the bottom, and how you do it is called spit and shine, or as I say, where there's muck, there's brass. So I will leave it with you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.